what's up? This is Jyoti. How's it going? How's it going? Welcome back. मैंने अभी कवर किया प्रथमेश और नाम सुजल का धनतेरस, which you all went berserk in the comments. और बहुत सारे comments आए saying नाम सुजल के tracks cover करो. How can you not have heard of him? I have heard of him, of course I have heard of him, and I've seen him on the news and all of that. I've just not consumed वो show के गाने. And किसी ने कमेंट ये भी भेजा कि आप वो गाने ब्लर करके सुनना उसके शो वाले गाने, एंड आई सेड ब्लर करने से कुछ नहीं होता है, फिर भी क्लेम आएगा और स्ट्राइक भी आ सकता है, तो आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू ऑल ऑफ दैट. मैं ऑफलाइन सुन लूंगी एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी एंड आई विल टॉक अबाउट इट एज आई कवर हिम इन अदर वीडियोस. बट ठीक है, एवरीवन वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड कि उसका नया गाना आ गया है, एंड ही इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम नागपुर. वो भी किसी ने क्लैरिफाई किया कॉमेंट्स में, सो लवली. अंकुरित मूंग, ये क्या नाम है? नाम सुजल है, सॉरी बैड वन. ठीक है, पुया इज अ प्रोड्यूसर, आई लव इट, एंड इंजीनियर्ड बाय Eyepatch. लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू इट. नाम सुजल सीजन, बस इतना ही लिखा है. डायरेक्शन एंड एक्सेप्शन एंड डायरेक्टेड बाय एक्सेप्शन एंड नाम सुजल. कॉन्सेप्ट बाय नाम सुजल, वेरी नाइस. सो ही इज ऑल्सो बिहाइंड द वीडियो आइडिया. लवली. लाइक आई सेड इन द लास्ट वन, सिर्फ नाम सुजल और यंगस्टर है जो ग्लासेस पहनते हैं, है ना? Let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, play. Ankurit Moong. Anti-drug day. What? Mama बोलना.
अरे नाम सुजल.
हाँ भाई, मैं ही हूँ नाम सुजल.
मामा अब यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
वही असल के बाद से ऐसा कुछ पैसे वैसे मिल नहीं रहते और रनर अप को वैसे.
अरे भाड्याच्या पहिला पाया नंबर लाव ना. मगापासून नुसता टाइमपास सुरू राहिला.
These motherfuckers talking too much lately. Now it's about time.
Gentlemen, pose a question. Will you answer the gentleman's question?
Oh, bully, stop it. But stop it. She's a cutie for side. Me told nuri when I'm swallowing your cooties to the side. Plus it's your cooties first time, so now the cooties can ride. Treat them bitches in my kicks like I'm Mudit Narayan. I mean, मुझसे दूरी बनाए. Get it slow. Baby, I'm a moody kasai. Mama, the flesh separator. Keep the cues in the side, and then I bless the creator. Man, I'm losing the soul. It happens when I'm मारे ने मसाए के गाल पे मसा आया और उससे दुगनी एज के रैपर्स के फैन पिस्टल सा खाया और उसकी मैनेजमेंट ने उसके लिए कैंप पे ना चलाया. स्टिल ही मैनेज की बोले तेरी बहन भी कस खाए मतलब I did it and those who can't stay worried. If पर जुबान पे सूजल है then no जुबान केसरी. I educate the murderings, the ladering जो ग्राहक की गवार है. Then how the fuck is your दुकान बेहतरीन? No hack away, she left scars on my neck, no self-fully but dappery the cool आर संभाले. I'm tackling my demons पर वो करना पाए खूबी. Magic is flashing on me mama, this a booby trap. Oh shit, but now I know shit, I'm out sheesh. Plus I rap like Mary Moushy, a douchey. Chopping the samples, Moushy, a Boushly. And you started to pamper, है के जाने माने ये तू मैगी खाने वाले पे करेंगे रामेन इम्पोज. ये गरम खून नी जवानी काम में कंपोज पर पूरे रेडिट और ट्विटर के हो गए बोस. बर्दाश्त if I learn from both SOS and coming on core. Mama please मेरे को कर अपने टप्पे में तू बन मत. कैसे चमके कला जब ढूंढे थप्पे में तू रंग मंच कब्जे में ले फिर चाल में गुड टॉक स्टार्ट से बनते लोग पॉट्स मारे ले रहे 90 में से 67 एंड डैडी से आस्क कर तुम्हें खुदा बता रहा है द इलिस्ट अस्वस्थ मेरा रूह ने जब मारा है. गेट इट क्यों तू नेट पे कर रहा मेरे बारे ये अब कसम तुझसे आधी उम्र का पर तुझसे दुगना कमा रहा है यार. मेरी जान I got you मैं भी clueless कि कौन चुकाएगा मेरे बाकी dues. And if you still feel we got a better MC than me then respectfully मामा तेरी माँ की you I won't even talk about it. That's stinky as fuck. Fully loaded index छोड़ even my pinky is stuck. मामा ये kinky अलग है रहता चिंतित संघर्ष. लिखूं 15 मिनट में feature you can blink it my words पर उसका मूल्य नहीं है स्थिर. Cause I'm running for the loco. Either you're coming for the tea or you're coming for the choco. Fuck a छपरी image mama. This how you rep the city bitch. How you is so pretty ले हमसे आड़ी जैती हाड़ी. Now tell me what's the dihadi to a jihadi. वंदना बजे 360 VRB देख विहारी. हंगर करूँ तेरी नल्ली फाई जैसे निहारी. You ain't got bars mama, you just got a PhD. Too fly मेरी पंखुड़ी चूम. Please figure some कोड़ी soon. मेरा जंगल विशाल खाई. These niggas Ankurit Moong. Too fly मेरी पंखुड़ी चूम. Please figure some some कुड़ी soon मेरा जंगल विशाल खाई 30 niggas Ankurit Moong
Oh, jeez. Dude. Nice credits. VFX team. God damn. Okay. Oh, damn. I was not aware of your game song. I was not aware. Okay, this is exciting because it's so different. Thank God. Thank God. Uh, if y'all have seen Cez's story from a few days ago, y'all will understand why I'm so like I'm happy. I'm happy y'all asked me to get to this. Yeah, his style is so different. His style is so different from anything I've seen in recent times. Um, and the bars, man, of course, there was quite a few bars which made me cringe, but uh, cringe, but also go like, but other than that, I'm gonna leave that aside and not go there. But other than that, god damn, son. Firstly, I love the concept of the video. I love what he kept doing. I love that he's so confident, not just in his rhyming and spitting and writing and all of the skill sets that he brings to the table, but also just the way he is with the camera and with the story that's going on. Freaking hell. So the entire concept of हाँ कुछ वैसे वो runner up को वैसे भी कुछ नहीं मिलता as such, right? He's there and then this guy comes and then his young fan is like, how dare you talk to my idol like this, passes him the gun and then he shoots him, which is bro, let's not go all American here, shall we? Does he act? Like, does he have a degree in acting or has he learned acting? Because ये बहुत ही easy, he's made it look easy and it's not. It's not. It actually, you know what it reminded me of? It reminded me of Karma's video back in the day, the one in which he's playing all these characters. कौन सा था वो गाना? And I was very new to DHH back then. Catchy Hook था या क्या था? Let me quickly look at it. Yeah. No, it was not Catchy Hook. Yeah, it was Catchy Hook. It kind of took me back to that vibe and that space. All these characters are happening, all these scenes are happening. So, and bars are being dropped. But yeah, I loved it. He's got him on that bike. It almost looked like the Blinkit verse. लिखूं क्या? 15 minute में Blinkit कर ले मेरा verse. What a bar, man. Okay, let me see if I can find the lyrics. So I'm very excited about him now after listening to this Ankurit Moong Naam Sujal lyrics. Oh, genius has come through. Let's read the bars. Okay, वो बोली stop it, but I'm stop it. चीजें खुद ही फंस आए. मैं ढूंढूं नूर ही when I'm swallowing your. Okay, never mind. No, anyway, treat them my gigs like I'm Udit Narayan. Oh, that was that graphic was hilarious over there. The video. I mean, मुझसे दूरी बनाए. I get it. Slow, low, low, low. Baby, I'm a moody kasai. Mama, the flesh separator. Keep the cuisine aside. And then I bless the creator, man. I'm losing the sight. So I like how he switched between languages. And firstly, it was very different. The first 3-4 lines just went over my ears, I should say, because I am not used to his style of speaking. And then when his English lines came, I right, and this is again what I was saying to Rohan in the last episode, that I like it when people bring their authentic accents, even when they switch between English and other languages. It's nice because you got to sound like you sound. You cannot sound like people from somewhere else. So that accent and the twang is actually a nice thing. This light is too bright. Okay. So then, yeah. And then I bless the creator, man, I'm losing the sight. It happens when a modern day messiah के गाल पे मस्सा आए और उसे दुगनी एज के रैपर्स के फैन पे धसा खाए और उसकी मैनेजमेंट ने उसके लिए कैंपेन ना चलाए एंड स्टिल ही मैनेज्ड कि बोले तेरी बहन भी कसकाए मदर लवो. I did it, and those who can't stay worried. If हर जुबान पे सुजल है, then no जुबान्स केसरी. I educate the matrix, the latrine. जब ग्राहक ही गवार है, जब दुकान बेहतरीन. Man, he asks the right questions. I like it. वो है queen, she left scars on my neck, no Saif Ali. मैं dapper ही दिखूं, वो लार संभाले. I'm tackling my demons, पर वो कर ना पाए ये खूबी match. She keeps flashing on me, but now I know shit, I'm more sheesh. Plus I rap like मेरी मौसी है dochi. Chopping the samples, paushi up. What? And you're starting to pamper है. जाने माने ये तू मैगी खाने वाले पे करेगा रामेन इम्पोज ये गरम खून नहीं जवानी का I'm calm and composed I like it पर पूरे रेडिट और ट्विटर पे हो गए उदास if I learn from both SOS and calm and encore so I think that was something that got him into a controversy right I don't know did it I think it did if I remember मामा प्लीज मेरे को कर अपने डब्बे में तू बंद मत कैसे चमके कला जब ढूंढे डब्बे में तू रंगमंच तब से मैं ले ले भेड़ चाल when the goat talk starts bro's got bars man ये बनते लोग बहुत स्मार्ट ये ले रहे से में से okay and with that decent ass score तू मेरे को रुतबा बता रहा the illest अश्वस्त मेरा रुगना जमा रहा listen I get it क्यों तू नेट पे कर रहा मेरे बारे याप बिकॉज मैं तुझसे आधी उम्र का पर तुझसे दुगना कमा रहा मेरी जान आई गॉट यू मैं भी क्लूलेस की कौन चुकाएगा मेरी बाकी ड्यूज एंड इफ यू स्टिल फील वी गॉट अ बेटर एमसी देन मी देन रिस्पेक्टफुली मामा दिस बिट आई डिडंट लाइक फुली लोडेड इंडेक्स मामा ये अलग समथिंग समथिंग लिखूं 15 मिनट में फीचर यू कैन ब्लिंक इट माय वर्स you can blink it now blink it has become a verb I like it पर उसका मूल्य नहीं है स्थिर because I'm running for the loco either you're coming for the tea or you're coming for the choco a chapri image mama this is how you rep the city how you is so pity ले हमसे आदि जाए तिहारी हमसे आदि जाए तिहारी now tell me what's a तिहारी to a JID वंदना बजे 360 विहार में देखे विहारी हंगर करूं तेरी नलिफाई जैसे निहारी you ain't got bars mama you just got a PR team hell yeah mic freaking drop smashed it to fly मेरी पंखुड़ी tune please figure some कुड़ी soon मेरा जंगल विशाल गाई these निकाज Ankurit Moong to fly interesting I like it I like him so he is added to that list of Vichar Prathamesh and Hardbone Boy the guys that I am betting on I think the culture is in very good hands. What do you think? Again, I will say these guys, whether it's the way they're writing, whether it's the way they're spitting, whether it's the way they're making their videos, conceptualizing them, सब चीज लेके अगर आप देखेंगे तो these guys are taking so much more risk and giving the scene so much more fresh stuff is all I'm going to say. And we'll see what else comes out. We still have 3 more months till this year ends, you know? I like it. I think my favorite bars were the I learned from both and Jab the Grahak Hi Gawar, that one. And then I like the Blink It My Verse, that gets an honorary mention, but what was the other one? You ain't got bars, mama, you just got a PR team. These are my favorite lines. Apne bata do niche comments mein. I would love to know. And let me know what else of his I should get to. Apart from the show that shall not be named. Apart from those tracks. Because he is fire. Goddamn son. Loved it. ऐसे videos और बनाइए. I'm telling the full universe of Indian hip hop. Please, let's get as creative as this in our videos. That's all. Chalo, niche bata dena what were your favorite bars and what else of his I should get to. All the other links to support my channel are in the description box. Take very good care of yourself. Live long and prosper.
The illest अस्वस्थ मेरा रूप ने जब मारा है get it क्यों तू नेट पे कर रहा मेरे बारे या बिकॉज़ मैं तुझसे आधी उम्र का पर तुझसे दुगना कमा रहा ऐ यार मेरी जान I got you मैं भी clueless कि कौन चुकाएगा मेरे बाकी dues and if you still feel we got a better MC than me then respectfully